Here we look at our second family of trigonometric identities. We've seen the Pythagorean identities. These identities listed below are called the compound angle identities or the addition formulae. We have the sine of A plus B is identical to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Note it's an identity, so therefore it's true for all angles A and B. This is not an equation to solve, it is an identity which is true for all angles. The sine of A minus B is identical to sine A cos B, take away cos A sine B. We have the cosine of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. And the cosine of A minus B identical to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Note some patterns here that help us remember these. For the sine, it goes sine cos, cos sine. If it's a plus in the middle, we have a plus in the middle. We can see here sine cos, cos sine, and the minus in the middle means a minus in the middle. If we look at the cosine, it goes cos cos, sine sine in both, and a plus in the middle means a minus in the middle for the cosine. Then we have the tangent formulae. Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A times tan B. And the tangent of A minus B is identical to the tan of A minus the tan of B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Note here, where there's a plus, the plus is on the top and a minus on the bottom, and a minus means a minus on the top and a plus on the bottom. You need to know these formulae and you need to be able to use them. The reason that this is so important is that there are several families of trigonometric identities. You've already met the Pythagorean identities, and now you have these, the addition or compound angle formulae. There are other families to follow. We have, for example, the double angle formulae, and we also have the sum and product formulae. Altogether, this means that there are a lot of trigonometric identities. They are listed in the formula booklet, but if you're searching through the formula booklet for an appropriate identity, then you really have not done enough work on identities. This is a difficult area of the syllabus, and you need to practice it regularly. You need to practice it regularly enough that you do know the formulae and you do know how and when to use them.